In this course, you will learn about light truck tires and their proper application. Light truck tires, also known as LT tires, are specifically designed for heavy-duty trucks like the F250 to 350 or 2500 and 3500 series pickup trucks. These heavy-duty pickup trucks have significant upgrades built in their chassis, powertrain, drive lines, cooling, and suspensions that enable them to load and tow more than light-duty pickup trucks like F-150 or 1500 series. Heavy-duty trucks require special reinforced tires that are built to support their loading and towing capabilities, which is where the LT tire comes in. Here is an example of an LT tire size description that you may have seen before. In this example, the size starts with the letters LT and finishes with either a letter or a number, in this case an E, or the number 10. So in this example, the tire size would be read as LT for light truck, 275 is the width of the tire in millimeters, 65 is the sidewall height, R for radial construction, 18 for the wheel diameter in inches, and E for the load range. After the tire size description, you will find two load index numbers and the performance rating. The first load number is for a truck with a single tire application, and the second number is if the truck comes with dual tires on the rear. In the case of a truck with a single tire application, go by the 121 load index number, and for dual tire applications, then go by the 118 load index number. The R at the end is the performance rating, also known as speed rating. In specific cases, you may notice a size like 235 65 R16 with the letter C. This is not to be confused with a C load range or 6-ply. The C stands for Commercial Service Radial. You may hear the terms tire load range and tire ply rating being mixed up together. Load range, which is designated by letters, and ply rating, which is designated by numbers, are actually terms from very different eras that mean basically the same thing. Both terms are used to identify load and inflation limits for any given tire. The term ply rating goes back to the days when bias ply tires were actually constructed of layer upon layer of cotton fabric. The ply rating referred to how many layers or plies of cotton had been used in the tire's construction. The more layers used, the greater the tire's ability was to load. It also determined the strength of the tire. In today's modern tires, plies are no longer made out of cotton. Modern tires are constructed using fewer and much stronger plies, so the term ply rating doesn't refer to the actual number of plies in the tire anymore. Light truck tires may be constructed with an extra casing ply, an extra belt, a stronger belt steel cord, and or a larger bead. Therefore, if you see either ply rating or load range on a chart, they both represent the tire's maximum load carrying capacity at maximum allowable air pressure. To quickly convert the load range letter into the traditional ply rating, take the position of the letter in the alphabet and multiply by 2. Example, E is the 5th letter of the alphabet. 5 times 2 equals 10, so E equals 10 ply. Always refer to the truck's tire placard in the driver's door jamb for the correct replacement tire specifications. LT tires also require much higher air pressures than regular tires. Never replace LT tires with non-LT tires on vehicles that require them. There are 3 categories of LT tires: HT, AT, and MT. HT stands for highway terrain. This category is designed more for on-road and highway use. Its tread design gives it durability, comfort, better on-road handling and braking, as well as greater fuel economy. This is the category of choice for many commercial, professional, and fleet applications. This category does not offer the 3-peak mountain snowflake, also known as the 3PMS symbol, for winter conditions. These tires must be changed during the winter season. AT stands for all-terrain. This category is designed for both on- and off-road uses, usually in a 70% on-road and 30% off-road ratio. Its tread design is more aggressive in order to provide better off-road traction on many different terrains, while incorporating excellent protection from said terrain. Many models sport the 3PMS symbol for winter use. MT stands for mud terrain. This category is for the real off-road enthusiast. The tread design is much more aggressive than the all-terrain ones. It provides the ultimate off-road traction and is perfectly at home in mud, on dirt, sand, and gravel roads, or climbing rocky terrain. Even though this tire does not come with the 3PMS symbol, some MT tires come pinned for studs to give extra traction. These studs are meant for off-road use. It is not recommended using this tire for winter driving on roads. There are 3 subcategories for LT tires: AS, AW, and Winter, which are the seasonal designations. AS stands for All Season. All-season tires offer great 3-season traction, as their rubber compound is designed for use at temperatures above 7 degrees Celsius. The tread patterns are optimized for dry and wet conditions. AW stands for All-Weather. All-weather tires have a compound that enables them to operate safely in colder weather, while staying durable in warmer conditions. The tread design is adapted for dry and wet conditions, as well as light winter conditions. These tires are designed to be used all year round in areas without severe winter conditions. These tires sport the 3PMS symbol on the sidewall. Winter tires are designed specifically for severe winter conditions. The rubber compound provides traction even in the coldest temperatures. The tread is designed for traction in snow and slush, as well as on icy roads. They are hands down the best choice for winter conditions, but it's important to note that they wear quickly and have longer stopping distances when used in warmer conditions. These tires will also sport the 3PMS symbol on the sidewall. It's important to note that in the event of damage or a puncture to a tire that cannot be repaired, the replacement tire on a 4x4 vehicle, just like the all-wheel drive, cannot have more than a half-inch difference in circumference with the other 3 remaining tires. If this is the case, all 4 tires must be replaced to avoid damage to the vehicle's powertrain.